So a slow start to day 13. We did some repairs on some taps from the water tank from hitting the roads. So wasn't happy with the clearance on the front left hand for camber. I think must have been a big hole that I drove through and needed to just pull the camber off the front left hand side a little bit just to clear the tyre. So I did that this morning, and then for lunch we just sort of drove up to a little place called Wigley's Hole. So it's just north of Alice Springs. Some believe it was sort of one of the original spots, or the original Alice Springs, if you like. So, but yeah, it's actually just a river, and the water just flows through the sand, so there's no spring as such. And yeah, it goes through quite an impressive little rock section there, and then about 2 k's or below here is a gorge, Wigley Gorge, and this is in the Wigley National Park. So yeah, very nice little spot. Just stopped here for lunch, just went around for half an hour or so, had a look around and sat in the shade. And we're going to head off back into town and maybe go to the Transport Museum in Alice Springs.